What's the most difficult thing to do in a restaurant business? Running a restaurant. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you register your restaurant on Zomato all on your own in 10 minutes. Ready? Let's begin with the first step of logging in. To do so, click on the link that's given on the screen or in the description box to go to the Zomato restaurant onboarding website. If you already have a Zomato account, simply log in using your credentials. If you're new, sign up and create your account. Once you have logged in, you'll see the option to register your restaurant. Click on it, and that's how you can start creating your profile. Second step is to choose the service that you want to register your restaurant for. So you can choose from the three options that are food delivery and dining, food delivery only, and dining only. Now, you pick the option that suits your restaurant service type the best. Once you do so, you will move on to the restaurant information page. Here, you have to fill in some basic details about your restaurant. For example, your restaurant name, owner's mobile number, restaurant's contact number, restaurant address. Once all of this is done, you click on Next and move on to the menu and other operational details page. Here, you will be asked to add some images. For example, your restaurant images, your food images. You add delivery menu images, which will be used to create your in-app menu for online ordering. You add dining menu images that will be shown on your restaurant's menu for your Zomato dining page. Next is your profile image. This is very important. Upload a clear picture that showcases your dishes. Make sure they're not blurry or too zoomed in. Lastly, choosing your cuisine type. Choose up to 3 cuisines that best describe your restaurant. Once all of this is done, let's set up your operational hours. This step is for making sure your customers know when you're available. Make sure to add your delivery timings clearly so customers can see when they can place orders. If you have a day off, simply uncheck the box for that day to make sure it's marked correctly. Lastly, move on to selecting the device you'll be using to manage your orders. You've got a few options here. Your Zomato Restaurant Partner mobile app, which is currently available for Android only, the Zomato Restaurant Partner web dashboard, or if you use a point of sale, which is a POS system, make sure to ask your POS partner to initiate the integration once your registration is complete. Once all of this is done, you click on to Next and move to the page where it requires you to upload your restaurant documents. Enter your PAN details, GST details, FSI details, and bank account details here. Please ensure that the FSI address matches the restaurant's address. Additionally, the name of the FSI license or the business on the FSI certificate should either correspond with the name provided on the PAN or the restaurant's name. Once done, click on Verify Bank Account Details. Once you've entered those, just click Next. Once you're happy with everything, click on Send Contract. This will send a contract to your registered mobile number. Once you sign it, you're all set to go live. If all the documents submitted by you are found to be valid, it will take another 24 to 48 hours for your restaurant to go live on Zomato. And that's it. You're ready to start accepting orders on Zomato. Easy, right? If you need any help along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to us through our support channels mentioned in the description box below. And also, after all of this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.